Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make gizdodo. This is very easy to make and turn out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Trust me, you're going to love it. Let's get started. So in my saucepan, I'll add in my gizzard. In the blender, I'll add in onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper. I'll add in a little bit of water. Blend until it's almost smooth. You don't want it that smooth. So I'll add about 3 tablespoons of the onion blended mix to the gizzard, and then I'll add in chicken seasoning and salt. Basically, this is the seasoning that I'm using. You can use any seasoning of your choice. So I'll go ahead and stir this, mix everything together, let it cook for about 5 minutes for me to check if the salt is for my liking before adding in some water. So I didn't add in much water because, as you can tell from the video, the gizzard has released some liquid in it, so no need for you to add in much water. I let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or till it is tender. So once it got to the point that I was looking for, I took it off from the fire. I added oil to my saucepan and then I fried this bad boys. So when frying, do not over fry it. You do not want it to be tough, so please do not over fry it. Once it fries a little bit, just like so, this is the right point that you're looking for. Remove it from the oil and move to the next step. I'll use sausage as well, so this is totally optional. Whatever the meat, the gizzard is not optional. The gizzard, that is what is the basic ingredient, but then the sausage that I'm using is totally optional, but I prefer adding sausage to it as well. It gives it extra taste. So I fried this for 2 or 3 minutes, not much or not more than that, and then I took it out from the oil. Then the last thing that I'm going to fry here is the plantain. So this is also one of the basic ingredients. Ripe plantain. So I'll fry this until it turns to this color, and then I'll take it off from the fire and I'll start with the stew. Basically, that's it. I'm done frying, and then all you have to do is make a simple stew, add all these fried ingredients to it, and you're good to go, guys. So the same oil, I added in the blended onion mix, which is the rest that was left. I added it to it. I'll let this steam for more or less 5 minutes. You want it to steam well. You want it to steam well before adding in the tomato puree. I'm using tomato puree, but you can use fresh tomatoes as well. You know, I love a little bit of stew in my gizdodo. So if you don't want that much stew, you can reduce the quantity of the tomatoes, like of the fresh tomatoes. But I prefer adding in a little bit of sauce. So I let this cook for about 15 minutes or so the tomatoes is halfway cooked, and then I added in dried shrimp powder, dried herring powder, curry, and stew seasoning. That's it, guys. I'll stir this. At this point, you want to check to see if the salt is for your liking, because I checked mine and the salt was okay, so I didn't add in salt again. I then covered it and let it steam or let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then I added in the carrots. You know, carrots, it's a little bit hard, so you want to add it to it from the, like, whilst it's almost ready, before, you know, the green pepper, the bell peppers, it does not take time, so I prefer adding that one to it when it's almost ready or when it's about to get ready. So I added in the sliced the fried sausage and the and the fried plantain as well. Lastly, I added in the vegetables, and guys, this basically does it. It's very simple, it is easy, and trust me, you will love it. It has everything in it. It has everything in it. Lastly, I added in fresh chopped parsley, and that's it, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's easy to make, and try this recipe. Let me know how it came out in the comment section. And guys, this is delicious. It's yummicious. So I let this cook for about 2 minutes more after adding in everything, and it was ready to serve. I wish I could invite all of you to come to my house one day so we eat something together, but unfortunately it can't be possible. So enjoy from the video, guys. Try yours and send me some pictures. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is amazing. Try this, please. See you till then. Bye bye.